Cryptocurrency wallets are digital tools for storing and securing assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They give you control over your investments. Setting up a wallet and transferring assets can be daunting due to complex terms like public keys and blockchain. In this video, we simplify these concepts and aim to make you comfortable using wallets. This knowledge will prepare you for the potential rewards of investing in cryptocurrencies as traditional financial players get involved. By dedicating time to learn, you can position yourself for possible significant gains in the next 18 to 24 months and help build a better financial future. But before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest crypto insights and tech deep dives. What is a cryptocurrency wallet? When we typically think of a wallet, we envision the pocket or purse accessory that holds our physical cash, IDs, credit cards, and debit cards. However, when it comes to cryptocurrency, a wallet is quite different. Unlike physical cash, digital currencies don't have a physical presence or a specific location where they are stored. Instead, cryptocurrencies along with account balances and transaction records exist digitally on a network of computers, often utilizing a blockchain or similar technological framework. Now, what is blockchain? Blockchain is essentially a sophisticated term that describes the continuously updated ledger of transactions. Now back to wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is software that creates and stores your private and public keys, interacts with the blockchain, monitors your cryptocurrency balances, and enables you to send and receive digital assets. However, it's important to note that the term wallet can be misleading because it doesn't hold your cryptocurrencies physically like a traditional wallet holds cash or credit cards. Instead, a cryptocurrency wallet serves as a key to access your digital assets, which are stored on the blockchain, a distributed ledger of transactions worldwide. In reality, your crypto is associated with your wallet's private key, and the wallet provides access to your crypto holdings, allowing you to view balances, send and receive crypto, stake it, and interact with smart contracts. What is the process of a cryptocurrency wallet? To simplify how cryptocurrency wallets work, think of it this way. Imagine your bank is like the blockchain, your bank account number is equivalent to the public key, your cryptocurrency wallet is similar to your online banking app, and your login credentials for the online banking app are akin to the private key. Now, just as your bank records and track transactions to form and bank account, the blockchain does the same for transactions involving your public key. Similarly, using your online banking app, you can check your bank account balance and perform transactions. Likewise, cryptocurrency wallets let you check your crypto balances and send or receive digital assets. However, there's a crucial difference. To access your online banking app, you must first enter your username and password. Similarly, using your private key, you gain access to your cryptocurrency wallet. This analogy simplifies the concept of how cryptocurrency wallets function. Cryptocurrency wallets can be understood through a simplified analogy. First, think of your bank account as a blockchain. Second, your bank account is akin to a public key, also known as wallet address. Third, your cryptocurrency wallet is like your online banking app. And fourth, the login credentials for your online banking app represent the private key. Much like your bank record transactions related to your account, the blockchain records transaction associated with your public key. With your online banking app, you can check your bank balance and perform transactions similar to how cryptocurrency wallet allows you to check balances and send or receive crypto. However, there's a crucial difference. Sharing your bank account number won't allow someone to withdraw funds from your account, just as giving someone your public key or wallet address only lets them send cryptocurrency to you. On the other hand, sharing your online banking login credentials would enable someone to access your bank account, just as giving out your private key grants access to your cryptocurrency holdings. It's crucial to keep your private key private to prevent unauthorized access to your crypto. Additionally, when sending or receiving cryptocurrency, ensure you're using correct wallet address or public key for that specific cryptocurrency. Different cryptocurrencies have unique addresses, much like software applications designed for specific platforms, example, Mac, PC, Android, or Apple. For instance, Bitcoin can be only sent to Bitcoin addresses and Ethereum can only be received at Ethereum addresses. Each cryptocurrency operates on its own unique blockchain. A cryptocurrency wallet software interacts with the blockchain, stores your public and private keys, monitors your crypto balances, and facilitates sending and receiving digital assets. Now, let's delve into the various types of cryptocurrency wallets, categorized as hot and cold, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. First, hot wallets. These wallets create and store private keys online. Examples include desktop or mobile app wallets, which operate on devices connected to the internet. While convenient, they can be more vulnerable to hacks, especially as AI-based scam tactics become more sophisticated. It's important to note that storing a large investment in hot wallets for the long term is considered less secure. Second, cold wallets. These wallets create and store private keys offline, making them less susceptible to online threats. Cold wallets are generally considered the safest way to store significant amounts of cryptocurrency. In summary, it's essential to choose a cryptocurrency wallet types that suits your needs and security preferences. Hot wallets offer convenience but may be riskier, while cold wallets prioritize security but may be less user-friendly. What are cold crypto wallets? Cold wallets, also called as hardware wallets, offer the safest way to store and manage your cryptocurrency. They create and safeguard private keys offline, making your assets less susceptible to theft by hackers. When purchasing a hardware wallet, buy only from the official manufacturer to avoid security risk associated with used or third-party devices. Always verify the website's authenticity by checking for HTTPS in the URL to avoid phishing scams. One alternative, Tangem Wallet, is gaining popularity due to its security features, including EAL6 Plus protection. Unlike seed phrases, Tangem Wallet uses encrypted backups copies, enhancing security. While most wallets use seed phrases for backups, Tangem Wallet takes a different approach. As we await hardware wallets or decide which one to use like Ledger, Trezor, or BC Vault, we can create a hot wallet with Trust Wallet to understand the implication if your phone fails or hardware wallet is compromised when seed phrases are used for backups. Now, how to set up your own wallet. To set up Trust Wallet on your mobile device, follow these steps. Number 1. Open your phone's app store and search for Trust Wallet. Download and install the app. Number 2. Open the Trust Wallet app and tap on Create New Wallet. Number 3. Agree to the terms of service by checking the box. Number 4. Create a passcode to an actual layer of security for using the app. Confirm the passcode by entering it again. Number 5. Now, it's time to back up your secret phrase, which is the master key to your wallet. Never share it with anyone. It's recommended to back it up manually instead of using iCloud, which could pose security vulnerabilities if compromised. To back up, tap Backup manually. Number 6. On the next screen, the app provides more information about the importance of your seed phrase. Confirm your understanding by checking the following boxes. First, if I lose my secret phrase, my funds will be lost forever. Second, if I expose or share my secret phrase with anyone, my funds can get stolen. And lastly, Trust Wallet support will never reach out to ask for it. Number 7. Tap Continue and you'll be presented with a list of 12 words in a specific order. Write down these words carefully and securely. They are the keys to your wallet and grant access to your crypto assets. Memorizing them gives you access to your funds. Number 8. Once you've written down 12 words, you'll need to verify them by tapping the words to put them in the correct order. Number 9. Congratulations! You've created your self-custody crypto wallet. You have full control over your digital assets. With Trust Wallets, you can buy crypto, deposit and store NFTs, and deposit cryptocurrency. To send Ethereum to your new Trust Wallet, tap on Ethereum and use the QR code or copy the wallet address provided. Remember to store your secret phrase securely, preferably in multiple secure locations to protect your crypto assets. This simple setup allows you to take control of your digital assets and get them off exchanges until you acquire a hardware wallet for added security. Now, let's go with transferring crypto with Tangem Wallet. To showcase the ease of using Tangem Wallet, let's send some Ether to Trust Wallet. First, copy Ether address from Trust Wallet. Second, open Tangem's mobile app and scan your Tangem hardware wallet card. Third, enter your access code. Fourth, paste the Trust Wallet address and send $100 worth of Ether. Fifth, verify the transaction and re-enter your access code. Lastly, the transaction is successful and Ether shows up in Trust Wallet. Moving crypto from exchanges to self-custody wallet. Transferring your crypto from an exchange to your new self-custody mobile wallet is straightforward. We'll assume your crypto is on Coinbase. First, log in your exchange app, Coinbase for instance. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to Trust Wallet. Tap Trust Wallet to view wallet address. Send a small test amount as precaution. Confirm the transaction details, including a fee about 73 cents and a 30-minute processing time. If you have two-factor authentication or 2FA setup, enter the 6-digit code. Your Bitcoin arrives in Trust Wallet shortly. Now let's demystify secret phrases and access to your crypto. Imagine I stumble upon your 12-word secret phrase on the street. Download another crypto wallet app like Exodus. Instead of creating new wallet, I choose the option to restore a wallet using a secret phrase. I enter the 12 words from the paper. This grants me instant access and control over your crypto. This demonstrates the significance of securing your secret phrase. Consider safer wallet options like hardware wallets or alternatives to seed phrases. Diversify where you store your crypto for long-term security to avoid potential losses. In conclusion, using self-custody wallets like Tangem Wallet and understanding the importance of securing your secret phrases are crucial steps in your cryptocurrency journey. By taking these precautions, you can safeguard your digital assets and enjoy peace of mind. Remember, diversifying your wallet options add an extra layer of security for the long term. Stay informed and stay secure in the ever-evolving world of crypto.